Let's record you playing. Oh, not with my hand. With this. Come on. You want it? Come on. Don't be camera shy. My leg's in the way. There you go. Here, let's put it on you. You don't know which one to play with. Don't mess with my toes. Play with your balls, not my toes. You've still got them around your neck, too. Ah. Girls. Child. No, stop. You're tickling me. You've got your fuzzy balls to play with. Remember? Why do you keep trying to claw me? I got you. I got you, thing. You gonna come get it? You like it better when I drag it. Are you gonna ever come out and get it? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, you play with it then. Maybe you don't want the balls anymore. How about the sock? Wait. Let me just set that right there. Put my hand in the sock. Alright, what do you think of this? What do you think of this? What do you think of this? This? What do you think of it? Are you out of the playing mood already? I just got you into it. Okay. I'll let you... Look at these. That's very naughty.